Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am caking a black and gold chocolate candy cake. So I'm starting with vanilla cake, and I'm building a dam here with my buttercream, and I am filling this cake with cookie butter. I absolutely love cookie butter. This is my favorite, actually. This is my favorite cake combo. So it's vanilla cake, cookie butter filling, and I have cookie butter buttercream, which is just the regular buttercream recipe. I'll leave the link here, but I add maybe a half a cup of cookie butter. So try it out. If you've never tasted cookie butter before, I will leave a link in the description box so you can purchase some because it is amazing. So I'm finishing up my crumb coat. I'm going to pop this in the refrigerator for maybe 30 minutes. And here goes the final coat. Remember, this is cookie butter buttercream, so it has a bit of a brown tint. And if you notice, it's not black. So what I do is I dye a bit of my buttercream the color that I want for the cake. I don't dye a bunch of buttercream for the outside. So this is just a regular buttercream, and then you'll see me come in with the black in a little bit, which actually I didn't make or dye this buttercream black. I bought the buttercream. I believe I used Celebrake's buttercream. It actually tasted pretty good. Black buttercream can kind of be bitter, I guess, and have a bad taste, but this buttercream, it wasn't bad. I'll leave a link for it if I can find the link. I'll leave a link for it. I bought it at my cake supply store. But it's a beautiful black, and it actually tasted pretty good, And typically too with blacks, I don't want a lot of the black, so I'll just put a thin layer on the outside because nobody wants a black mouth. You know what I mean? Like, you may want a lot of black other things, but you don't want a black mouth, especially at a party, because you're going to be taking pictures and it looks weird. Get ready, because here is the star of the show. Okay, the chocolate candies. I dusted them with a bit of gold luster dust from the Sugar Art. I will leave a link for that in the description box as well, along with my coupon code, so you can save 15% off of your purchase. I did not have a plan for these chocolate candies. I literally got toothpicks, stuck them in some chocolates, and started arranging them on my cake. I know some people may have a plan and sketch and all that. I literally just go with my gut and do what feels right and looks right to me at the time. So I had some Reese's cups, I had some Kit Kats, I had some Whoppers, I had some random just semicircles of black chocolate that I used as well, some lindt chocolates, godivas. It was just, I literally went to the grocery store and got chocolate. This cake coin I call them cake coins. It's pretty trendy now. I got it from an Etsy shop. I will try to shout them out too in the description box. But I like the way it came out. Like, I like the cake coins. It's different from just a topper you stick in. It's like a little fancier. And speaking of fancy, here comes the gold leaf. Everything is better with gold leaf. I also added a gold drip to this cake, which is a tablespoon of gold luster dust, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and then vodka until it got to the consistency that I wanted. You can also use lemon extract or rosewater spirit if you don't want to use a high proof alcohol. I added some gold splashes, and that's pretty much it. If you like this cake, go ahead and hit the like button, please. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.